Rocket scientists working on BMW steering wheel replacement. What do you plan to do with the stock one? Just keep it?
Yeah, just keep it, just in case I
decide
to...
A lot of the regular 5 Series guys hunt for these M steering wheels.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Or let me tell you this, the pre-LCI guys installed the LCI. Because this is a LCI.
Yeah.
The pre-LCI steering wheel is kind of ugly. Everyone replaces them.
But these... for the little tab here. Don't see it, don't see it, don't see it. I know a lot of BMW guys do the M1, M2 button. Yes. I'm just planning on doing a red button right here.
Yeah, yeah. Please fit.
And it fits.
Oh!
Yeah.
Bundaberg.
That's right.
Or something. That's sick.
So...
where'd you source this?
eBay special.
China?
Yes.
People do that. So I have the Raptor truck. Those steering wheels wear out. And people do the flat bottom. They're like, dude, it's an awesome steering wheel. A couple $100. I don't know how much it is.
400.
Right, but like, if you get like a BMW one, it'll be like $2 grand or more.
Yep.
So yeah, eBay special.
400 with the heating element.
That's sick.
The heating, still got the heating elements inside of it.
Good reviews, or you had to like research that?
Yeah, I researched it.
I'll keep it in mind.
They're like, the only thing that doesn't come with is the heating. It's the vibration motor.
Okay.
And the heating, you got a T20?
Yes, sir. It's gonna be somewhere in here. It's like my mess, but to me it's not a mess.
Oh, that looks like a T20.
Yeah, you know, I use it a lot. Yeah, I'm a big fan of old BMWs. Like E30 is my favorite body style. And I remember doing like cool M-Tech steering wheels, like all those swaps. It just feels, those old cars feel so cool for like an 80s, early 90s. Way over engineered, just like today's BMWs. But they're very light.
Yeah. New to BMWs, but when I bought this car, I was like, I should have owned one sooner.
Yeah, absolutely.
I know the whole. I have a quick jack at home.
Yep.
And I don't even want to do stuff anymore, you know.
Yeah.
But I just did the oil change on my M6 last Sunday.
9 quarts.
Yeah.
What oil do you use? Are you a liquid moly guy?
So I'm a Redline guy.
Okay.
But the Redline 540 was out of stock, so I use a liquid moly.
I like liquid moly. I've been using this Motul stuff, but I posted it online, and some people said Motul in Europe got in trouble for like lying about their oil quality.
Really?
And I'm like, that's not great. So I'm like, I guess back to liquid moly it is.
Yeah, I heard liquid moly is pretty good.
That's not too bad. A couple crunchies. You know, everybody swaps those out.
There we go.
Probably had some double-sided. We're back to recording. We got everything out. Do you want me to like assemble this while you start putting that in there?
Sure. Cool. And then
we'll trade you.
Disassemble this.
Yeah.
A little bit. Outside. I think I don't have to disassemble it as much as this one.
final pieces.
Can't wait to put it in there and see what it looks like.
Mm-hmm.
Is it torque? I have a little tool chest. Okay. And I need to put some tools in. Yeah. I'm getting it.
Not forget.
It's not the end of the world. Oh, man.
What you need is one of those Mario Kart steering wheels.
Ah. So straight on. I mean, it's kind of hard not to put it.
It has
on
those little
straight.
notches
Yep.
that help you. Boom.
Go. All right.
You could probably put on the bolt like very loosely
Mm-hmm.
if you want, and then plug in the other stuff. Do you have any other carbon bits inside?
Unfortunately,
The
no.
shifter.
Yeah, shifter. I put this on there
Mm-hmm.
because I was too lazy to take it apart and do the whole thing.
The full transition.
Yeah, but I might do it because it does look a little tacky. I don't like how it looks. Got a little silver showing there. Please.
Maybe a little more. That's good. You give it a good tug. Just make sure it's solid. Like, yeah, left and right. Feels good.
Yep.
Shaking the whole car. Coming into those turns.
Right. Next thing you come in and turn, it goes.
That's those Honda Civic drivers. I've seen a video where he tears it off.
Yeah.
And it's like, ah!
That would have been a bad day.
I've seen a guy, he got also like a cheap replacement steering wheel and he pulled on it and it like bent it.
Oh man.
Yeah, you see those videos. And just
BMW. Let's make sure that I moved all of it.
Yep.
Crush everything. Yep, that's not gonna.
Need to move it.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. So
Something is conflicting.
this side right here. Thinking of.
One struggle is the horn comes on because we're depressing the horn now the whole time. Fitment issues. Everything with cars is fitment.
Yeah.
We'll do it again. You can install steering wheels on the airplanes now at work. Someone has to do it.
So bottom in first.
We've realigned wiring and plugs probably
Yeah,
5 times now.
Bottom in.
5th time is a charm. Whoop. Click it. Still too tight?
Yeah.
I would try the one off the other steering wheel. Just cause it's easy.
Oh, it has a gap now.
Okay.
Like,
But
once you press
but
it doesn't.
it doesn't spring.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's see if it. I mean, I could live without the horn. Let's see if the horn goes off.
Let's see. I feel like it will.
Oh boy.
I'm a positive guy, but
Yep.
meh. Oh wait. You fixed it.
All right. Let's press the horn and see if it'll work.
Hit the beep beep. Hey.
All right.
Bonito.